Tired of blurry Roblox graphics? Let's boost your visual experience on Roblox. Even without an Nvidia graphics card first, it's important to keep in mind that using external graphic enhancements may violate Roblox's terms of service, so proceed at your own discretion. Now, open the Roblox settings within your favorite game. The graphics quality might be on the lower end. Start by bumping up the graphics quality to the highest setting allowed. This instantly allows for better in-game details. Next, let's explore some of the alternative options. A popular shader injector is ReShade, which is compatible with various graphics cards. Search online to download ReShade software. Install ReShade. When prompted, select the game you are playing and follow the prompts given by the software. You'll typically select the game's executable file. Once ReShade is installed, run Roblox and press your configured ReShade key to bring up its menu. This lets you pick shader effects, like ambient lighting or depth of field, which will be available as a list of options. Tweak these settings to find the perfect balance between visual flair and performance. Not all games support injectors, so your experience might vary. Experiment with different shader packages to get the best results. Now you can enjoy a visually improved Roblox experience.